Hi guys, let's see how to send notifications to Messenger. Sending notifications to Messenger allows you to receive notifications about messages and comments directly to your Messenger inbox. This will make you never miss any updates from your customers. And here is how you can set it up. First, log into your Kaojao account and then choose Terminate Page and Auto Response System option. Select the shop you would like to set this feature for, and then click on Manage. In the Auto Reply section, go to Notifications. Turn on the buttons of the notifications you want to receive. Now click on Send Notifications to Messenger button. Click on the Send to Messenger button again. Continue. And after that, you will receive a message confirming that the setup is completed. You can respond by sending messages in the inbox, and your customer will receive their responses to their comments or messages. And here is an example of how the comments will be notified to your messenger.